So, hindi pa po kami uuwi. Kami po ay papunta sa laundry. It's our second day in Singapore and the first thing we're doing is laundry. Ang isang maliit na luggage, actually marami pang naiwan doon. So currently it's 6:45 in the morning and this is how it looks like. 6:45 in the morning here at Chinatown in Singapore. Madilim pa. Pero later on, around 8 or 9, you will start seeing people coming to work. Since we started our travel from Korea, technically kasi natulog kami doon and then to Manila, naipon na yung mga maduming damit namin. Kaya isiningit kong maglaba itong araw na to. Supposedly last night, but I was so tired sa mga lakad kahapon. And so, we're doing it this morning. Meron akong alam na somewhere near Pagoda Street. Malapit na sa dati kong office. Ang mga laundromat dito, karamihan naman open 24 hours. And then, I asked our receptionist, usually daw, nandun na lahat yung sabon, nasa machine na. And then, for if you need coins, dun na sa shop mismo, magpapapalit ka lang ng notes mo into coins. Maybe wala namang hassle. Look at this view right now. Isn't it nice? And then now you see kids so early going to school. Ganyan-ganyan si Yana po dati nung nag-aral dito sa Singapore because she studied here K2 and grade 1. So, maaga kaming gumigising para i-prep siya. Siyempre, magkasama akong bodyguard para maglaba. Labandera at labandera. But obviously, you don't need a bodyguard here in Singapore because it's super safe in here. Nung nakatira pa kami dito, ang paborito naming banding ng asawa ko, naglalakad kami, pupunta kami sa hawker, nagkakape kami ng 1 a.m. 2 a.m. And I really miss those days. Yan, that's the pinnacle. Ang daming ibon. And shop houses around. Tapos Tanjong Pagar behind. This is now the Maxwell Station. Dito kami dumaan kagabi. So lakad pa tayo pa ganon after the Tooth Relic Buddhist Temple. Tapos dun sa Pagoda Street. Nakakatuwa nga kasi itong binata ko, game naman siya. Sabi ko, samahan mo akong maglaba. Sabi niya, willing siya. So hopefully, meron kaming makakainan doon or at least uminom ng kape, no? Para habang naglalaba, mag-breakfast na din. And by the way, today, maski pa paano nakatulog na ako ng mahaba, I was able to sleep 4 hours straight. Although I still woke up at 2 a.m. Nakausap ko yung asawa ko saglit and then I was able to get back to sleep at least 1.5 hours. So medyo maganda-ganda, gaang ng pakiramdam. Oh, I really love the skyline of Singapore. Oh, everywhere you go, when you see it, maliwalas tignan. So wherever you go here in Singapore, talagang super walkable siya. Look at this, laging may pavement. Yeah, it's so easy to walk here. Yeah, I think the only problem is yung heat talaga, especially us coming from Canada kasi syempre sanay tayo sa malamig na. So like, even right now, in this morning, I can feel the humidity. Kaya naman, ang suot ko ganito na lang, kukonting damit. Naka-sleeveless, naka-cycling shorts. You don't need so much clothes in here. Oh, we're approaching na the Tooth Relic Buddhist Temple and Maxwell Food Center. My son, that's where we ate last night. The Maxwell Food Center, yeah, one of the popular hawker centers here in Singapore. Although ang init din dun sa loob, napaka-humid. This is still part of the Maxwell LRT station. Maraming labasan yan eh, tapos doon naman sa kabila. So here, the Tooth Relic Buddhist Temple. Ang ganda-ganda nito, lalo pag when you see it sa malayuan. May nagtitilaok na yung manok, umaga na. Reminds my son daw of the Philippines kasi yan ang indication kapag nasa Pilipinas, nagigising kami umaga, kaantay ng pandesal, tapos maririnig mo yung tilaok ng manok. So yung pupuntahan natin, lapit na, dyan lang yung pagoda. Yeah, we're just admiring the temple right now. Ganda. Parang bukas na yung Yakun Kaya Toast. Baka pwede kami mag-breakfast dyan. And then look at the skyline, no? From where we're staying. Yan yung pinnacle. All the way here, you see Sofitel, Frasers Property, Manulife, OCBC, single buildings. So if you're a city person like me, you will enjoy here talaga because Singapore is really a metropolis and it's a very modern city. Okay, so ito na yung mga access na talaga sa sa Chinatown, Sago Street. Ito kainan lahat to. Open to sa gabi, masaya dito. And then all of these shop houses. Ayan. And then I'm gonna show you later kung saan banda yung yung dati kong trabaho. Malapit na dyan. The next street is Smith Street. This one. And then here, ayan. Puro kainan yan sa gabi. This one. Papasok doon all the way hanggang doon Chinatown, up to the access to the Chinatown LRT station. This one, ST Signature co-living hotel or a boutique hotel. Oh, ang cute na itong shop house na to. This is since 1910. Look, the great room. Yeah, all of these are shop houses of different designs and different colors. So nice. Okay, and the next one is the Temple Street. So may matadaanan tayo ulit na another Hindu temple. After that, pagoda na. There you go. And then here we are na, Pagoda Street. Ayun na yung laundry. Susunod doon. Oh, ito yung main access. This is Chinatown proper. Doon sa dulo is access to MRT. Pababa doon goes to Chinatown Station. My previous office access is this one. You know, Dome Bakery, this alley here, that one. We'll try to go there later. So this is the popular Siri Mariamman Temple here in Pagoda. Okay, malapit na tayo. Yan na. So yan, Heritage Collection Apart Hotel. Oh my God, now this feels so nostalgic. So itong alley na to, ito yung papunta sa Club Street eh. Tapos merong maliit na skinita dyan na pinapasukan namin shortcut palabas ng Club Street. During my first stay here in Singapore, yeah, dito. Everyday, ang daan ko from here, tatawid dito Pagoda Street, and then Chinatown Station, then moving to Green Line to Bedok. So by the way, here's the laundry, open 24 hours. The name is Straits Laundry. Okay, let's go. So there you go. Ito, marami silang machines, so actually may nauna na sa amin, may naglalaba na nga. So ito yung prices nila. 14 kilogram if you want normal, $10 warm, $11, hot $12. Sa dryer naman, 14 kilogram, $6 for 18 minutes. Then for the changing of coins, dito daw malapit sa office. Oh, ito coin changer. So, yeah, by the way, naglalakad na naman kami because I realized I only have $50 notes. Kaya naman, check ko kung talagang bukas na yung Yakun Kaya Toast. Magkape na muna kami para makapagpabariya. This is the Anshang Hill. May access to, pakaliwa papunta sa Club Street. And marami ring mga restaurants, bar and restaurants dyan, all the way there. Okay, we have a problem. It's closed. Open in 15 minutes. Gantay na lang namin. Okay, my son, you can buy na your Pocari Sweat. Ganda ng view from here. There you go. And you got your change because you put $2. And by the way, dito lang sa tabi, they have yung vending machine with fresh orange na ini-squeeze. So, kung rin matry yan, $2. Kaya lang it's too early for orange. Sa tayo ko na lang yung Yakun Kaya Toast. Nakikiupo lang muna kami dito sa isang store katabi ng Yakun. So, around 10 minutes before it opens. Everybody's so busy now going to work. Ang gusto kong makita dito ng anak ko sana yung it's one thing that talagang surprised me during my first few days here in Singapore was that syempre pasok ako sa work maaga na lakad-lakad ako dito sa mga paligid dito until matumbok ko yung office ko. And then I noticed like there are in restaurants like these, sometimes there are like food deliveries or supplies being delivered early in the morning. Ipapatong lang dyan sa labas. So it's like tray of eggs, like a bunch of vegetables, frozen meat na naka-box, ganyan. But when they deliver, iniiwan lang dyan. So I was surprised like, how could this happen? Kasi kapag sa Pilipinas yon malamang ninakaw na. That's really a proof na super safe dito. Sa Singapore, walang mga magnanakaw. Pero syempre, you cannot say na wala. Maybe on hidden areas. But since there's camera everywhere, so any open space, talagang safe. Super humid pa rin. Nalalagit na yung pakiramdam. Naunahan kami, may nakapila na, hindi pa nagbubukas. Yung dala kasi namin mga damit, parang mga good for 1 week or at least 10 sets, ganyan. Ayaw kasi namin magdala ng sobrang dami. Kasi nga, even if we're allowed to carry 2 luggage from Canada, pagpasok naman kasi dito sa Singapore, 1 lang yung allowed. So we're so limited ng 1 luggage each only. Tapos, yun nga yung travel pa lang namin, ang tagal. 4 days worth of clothes already na madumi. Ilang days pa tayo dito? 5-6 days. So baka maubusan kami ng damit. And yung mga pupuntahan namin today, tomorrow, the next days, mas magiging busy na. So I might not have the time to do laundry by then. So we should do it now. And then siguro, yung susunod na laundry namin sa Manila na. Yung Airbnb na binook ko, na tutuluyan namin sa Manila after namin dito, meron siyang laundry option. So doon na kami susunod na maglo-laundry. Okay, let's go. Bukas na yung Yakon Kaya Toast. So here's their menu. Okay, so naka-order na kami and now we're getting a table. Dito lang, dapat medyo mabilis kang kumilos, mabilis kang makipag-usap because especially like this in the morning, everybody's busy. Tsaka mabilis talaga silang kumilos dito. Hindi pwede ang patay-patay. So they're going to call us. Our number is... Do you see my son? Can you see our number? 4. Okay, number 4. And I bought this, I bought a Kaya Toast. $8. Ito, pareho kaya? Yeah, the same. Nakakabili naman ako sa Canada ng Kaya Toast. Marami sa Chinese store. Pero of course, this is OG Yakon Kaya Toast. So yan, meron akong panglaba. So, by the way, ito yung notes nila. $2, $5, and $10. And then, ito yung mga coins nila. Ano to? 50 cents, 10 cents, all that stuff. I was asking because there are mugs. I thought they're on sale there. Okay, so this is my son's French toast. Meron din pala siyang kasamang egg. O your coffee C, natapon na. Hindi niya masyado bet yung Kaya Toast eh. Kasi sabi niya makapal daw yung butter. Kasi slices of butter talaga. Kami naman ng dalaga ko. This is our super favorite. Comes also with, of course, your soft-boiled egg. And, oh, I want this one. First thing in the morning. This is my first proper coffee in the morning. Yesterday, hindi na ako nakapagkape kasi naglililigpit ako ng mga luggage namin. What? You prefer?
Kaya butter.
Ah, like a dip instead. Ah, this is a Kaya butter dip. No? Oh, maski pa paano gusto naman niya. Oh, kasi it's the butter that's super thick and the Kaya toast that's really thick, no? Yun yung ayaw niya. Okay, so kukunin mo pala doon yung kanilang soy sauce. And, yeah, very common dito sa Singapore ang white ground pepper. And that's mixed. Like it? Oh, my son wants the soft-boiled egg. You don't want to put soy sauce on it? No need? Okay. I can eat this every day. Actually, sa bahay, ginagawa din namin to. But not all the time. Kapag naisipan namin ng dalaga ko, bibili kami nung Kaya Toast sa TNT. Super, perfect combination. My son, you get the worm if you're an early bird. You came with me, you got a breakfast. Your sister's still sleeping. So far, you're liking your stay in Singapore. You're having fun. Yeah, it's just the start, my son. We still have Sentosa, and then today Marina Bay, and then you have your favorite Singapore Zoo and Sea Aquarium. Kape. Simulan natin ang umaga natin ng kape kasi marami tayong lakad mamaya. Okay, tapusin na namin yung breakfast namin. Mamaya laba. So this is the history of Yakon. Yan, since 1926. And this is a family recipe daw since 1944. So but this is like their story. They probably came from China. Yeah, kasi marami namang mga immigrants from China who came here in Singapore and some are also merchants. So we're done with breakfast. Nauna muna yung breakfast. Then maglaba na kami. Some shops are starting to open. Dito maraming mga shops na ganito, mga antique. Ayan, start of Monday morning. Everybody's on grind na. Super busy na. Yeah, so there's a lot of people na grabbing breakfast, walking. Ayan, going to MRT. Okay. Kami naman ay maglalabada na. Let's go! So, papalit tayo ng coins din. Another one. Dami. For piso. Okay, Ayan, yung pa naming laundry. Ang dami. Okay, so yan na. Laundry na tayo. Ayun. There we go. And then, meron namang instructions dito. Kaya lang di ko mabasa. Teka. Okay, what's the instructions? So, this step 1, load. And then second?
Press the green button, ready to wash.
Okay, sige.
And select the water temperature.
Okay, normal for water temperature. Okay. Wash. And then?
Now you insert coins as a price.
Okay. Yeah, we have $10 coins here for normal. Sige, go. Start na?
Did you like?
Yes, I did. Okay. 27 minutes. Ayan, start na siya. So, ang sabon daw is dito na eh. Ang galing, di ba? I'm amazed. Auto-dispense na siya ng sabon. Okay, let's wait. Ayun na nga. Ayun o. Nag-dispense na siya ng sabon. Sige, let's just wait a minute siguro bago tayo lumabas. May plano kami i-check ng pinata ko. Ayan, naglalaban na siya. Okay, so this is how you do your laundry in Singapore. Okay, 26 minutes to go. May i-check lang kami saglit. We'll be back here before the time. So, pupunta kami sa Club Street. So, dito lang, dadaan kami ng Muhammad Ali Lane. So, papakita ko lang sa binata ko yung dating office namin. But obviously, wala na yung office namin doon ngayon. Kasi nag-close na. Matagal nang nag-close. Restaurant na siya ngayon. Okay ka, Maisa? Okay, this is Muhammad Ali Lane. So, we're here at Muhammad Ali Lane. Ganda ng mga artworks dito sa wall. Look at this. Let's check. This is where I walk every day, my son. So yung mga arts, it shows yung how life was before. Yeah, very historical. And then dito, when you turn right here, merong maliit na eskinita dito palabas sa Club Street. Yeah, I still remember it, of course. Pwede tayong duman doon. There's a small alley here, my son. Here, the stairs that go up, shortcut to Club Street. Oh, by the way, bago tong ano to, this is a new hotel, Mercure Hotel. When I was booking, I was checking for this as well. Kaya lang hindi pa siya nag-accept ng booking by then. Ito, itong hotel na to. Pero alam ko nag-open na siya by this time. Pero nung time na nagbubook kasi ako ng hotel dito, that was 1 year, that's like almost a year ago. Hindi pa siya open. Daanan natin. Siguro naman bukas pa yung sinasabi kong eskinita dito. Maliit na daan lang. One. Ito yon, sasabi ko. Maganda na siya ngayon. It's nice now. It's clean and wider na the pavement. But dati parang medyo dark pa nga. Ay pwede rin mag-book dito. This is like apartments, residence. Maybe good for like longer stay here in Singapore. Okay, welcome to Club Street. So this is the Club Street. Nung nag-work pa ako dito, wala pa tong structure na to. So after nitong residence na to, open space lang yan eh. That's a park. And even tong bagong hotel na to, wala pa yan. Grabe, ang bilis ng improvement dito sa Singapore. Now let's go, my son. I'm gonna let you know where I used to work. Okay.
Everything's slanted.
What do you mean slanted? Kasi maybe there are hills before. Oh, careful. Okay, so I hope I can remember still. It should be 1, 2, 3 from here. So this is the first shop. This is the second shop. And this is the third shop. Oh, this one. This one. So it's now a restaurant. This is our previous office, my son. This one. It's very small. So this is our previous office. And this is another door that goes upstairs. This is what I'm telling you. Look at that. There's a delivery of supply for the store. And they just simply leave that like that. And they're sure that it's not gonna be lost. Diba? All safe here. It's really amazing. Pero pawis na ako.
Most people here have too much money anyways.
Yeah.
They don't need it.
Yeah. Well, many. They already have money. And For those who doesn't know, you wouldn't want to be caught kasi you don't want to be caned or jailed, di ba?
Deported.
You're deported for only a small amount of whatever you get. Okay, so here, my previous office. Dito lang kami sa baba. And then my son, you know how? Because we're in computers, di ba? So yung office namin dito, all computers. And most of here are like restaurants. Most of the time, there are people who knock on our door. And then they would ask like if we are internet cafe. My boss was always pissed off like, hello, we're an office, we're not internet cafe. But the fact is that we're here in a club street, restaurants and whatnot. So some people think na we are an internet cafe. So nag-work din kami dito, nag-stay din kami dito ng 1.5 year. And then the rest of the year, another 1.5, doon na kami sa may Adelphi, sa tapat ng Funan Mall. So ito, this is known for all restaurants. And then nakita ko, nandito pa rin yung 7-Eleven na binibilan namin ng Yakult at saka banana. Or pag gusto namin mag-snack, ito dito. Oh, this one. Oh, sige, go get yung banana milk. How much? $3. Oh. Is it glass? Yeah, it's glass. Banana milk. Okay, hold. Taste. Sige, tignan mo muna. Oh. I like the bottle. Can we bring out the bottle? What's the cover? Oh, the same as the one you're buying in H Mart. Is it the same brand? Green and yellow? Ah, it's a different one. But just the color is the same. Okay, stroll muna tayo dito sa Club Street. We still have 15 minutes before our laundry is done. Watch out, my son. There are levels, ha? Tapos yan, mga high-end restaurants. Actually, karamihan dito. So, ito, buhay na buhay ito sa gabi. Oh my God, this is so nostalgic talaga. Feels like nung nag-work pa ako dito. 87 Club Street. Siyempre bago na lahat yung mga restaurants. Nung nandito pa ako nag-work, siyempre iba pa yung mga restaurants doon. Yung mga constructions din, Picanas. Oh, wala na yung dating kinakainan namin dito. We used to eat here. Steak. Picanas na siya. Pero steak din, Okay, watch out. Tapos ito, tatagos siya ng Ansiang Hill. Ito, Ansiang Hill. If we turn right, lalabas tayo dun sa kung nasan kami malapit kumain ng breakfast. So here. Ako mataas. We need to go down, my son. You okay? Just carry the luggage.
That's a Japanese stairs.
Oh, Japanese stairs to. Bakit? Diagonal? Ah, ito. Yeah. And itong iskinita na to, access to papunta ng Maxwell Food Center, this one. Yeah, of course, I know. Kasi kakain kami. Madalas dito kami nag-shortcut. So, hi. Oh, that's why it's called Ansiang Hill. This used to be a hill. Kaya mataas. Basa na kami ng pawis. Lagit-lagit. But it's okay. I'm having fun. At yung binata ko, game din naman siya, which is nakakatuwa. Ayan, so labas na tayo dito. Yan, Ansiang Hill. And then to the right, ayun, papunta na dun sa my laundry namin. Okay, so we're back here in Muhammad Ali Lane. 10 minutes. Tapos na yung laundry namin. So, tawid tayo. Hintayin lang natin yung stoplight doon. Tsaka tayo tatawid. Stoplight na. Okay. Come, my son, let's go. Yeah. We're not jaywalking naman, diba? Yeah. Hindi to jaywalking. Wala siyang crossing dito kasi nga, one way, you have the time to cross because of the stoplight. Oh, you can stay put muna here, my son. Let me just check the laundry. 5 minutes to go. I was saying, my son, nabuti na lang na pasyalan ko yung dati kong office ngayon tapos yung isa pa kahapon. Kasi 30th trip to Singapore. I won't be visiting again Singapore. Maybe for a long time. Kasi ever since kasi nag-Canada, dito ko lagi pumupunta kapag nagbabakasyon sa Pinas. Like 2014, 2018, and then now 2024. Well, kasi nga dito yung mga kaibigan ko, yung kapatid ko nandito. Pero sa mga susunod, gusto ko sa iba na rin mamasyal. Marami pang pwedeng pasyalan. Buti na lang talaga sumama tong binata ko kasi hindi ko mabasa yung mga instructions. Otherwise, hirap na hirap ako magbasa. Cycle complete. So, kunin na natin. So, kailangan nating ilagay siya dito sa taas. Go. He's talking with his dad on the phone. Okay, daytime right now in Canada. Tell dad how much is the The soju we saw at 7-Eleven.
Soju, $18. Expensive.
Oh, grabe. $18 ang soju.
Bakit?
Eh, mahal ang liquor dito, di ba? Oh, even wine, red wine, white wine, mahal talaga dito. Tapos na yung dryer ko, finally! Ay, hindi, dito na lang. Magtitiklop ako. Tiklopin ko na rin siya. Yay! Naglag na. Okay. Tiklop muna. Tiklopin ko na para maayos na before kami bumalik sa hotel. Okay, uwian na. Sarado pa ang Chinatown. Dito magandang bumili ng mga souvenirs later on. Kumain din. The tourists are out and about na din. Ayan oh, there's more art here. Cute, di ba? Na-witness ko yan before. Dito sa Singapore, ginagawa pa rin nila sa mga local events. They do this. Yung theater arts na ganito. Yeah, opera. It's like kind of like an old school opera. I've watched it before. This one, oh, they call it Dirty Ice Cream in the Philippines. Temple Street. 1915. Okay, so we're ending now the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch out for more Singapore vlogs and our adventures here. We have like how many days more? 5 to 6 days more to go of adventure here in Singapore. Thank you so much for watching and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye!